Today we talk about how can you add your country on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it on your photo profile. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on edit country. It's going to take you to this list here. So then here add your country here. You click here on search. Then it's going to add with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do here to add your country in this list. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. That's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.